All right, Will, you got something for us? You got a question? What do you have for us today, Will?
Just a quick one here.
You got a quick one?
I got a quick one.
I don't believe you.
So how about some space news? Richard Branson's space unit to go public. I don't know if we talked about this, but Virgin Galactic, it's a space tourism venture from Richard Branson. Basically, it allows people to go to space, right? And recently, there's a company, Social Capital Sophia Holdings.
What a name.
Yeah.
They almost got you there, Will.
That's a tough one. They are planning to invest $800 million in Virgin Galactic. So probably space travel is coming sooner than we think.
Wow. 800 million bucks. That's quite a few bucks.
Yeah, so right now there's 600 tickets that were sold, which equals to, I think, 80 million.
But this is just the thing where you go up, you go up, you come down.
Yeah.
That's all it is. You go up.
You might travel around the planet a little bit and then maybe come back.
You go up, you come down.
Yeah.
Is
But hey, I mean,
how appealing is that? What would you pay for that, Will? You go up, you come down.
I mean, I wouldn't pay $130,000.
That's what it is right now?
A ticket is.
Holy moly, okay. What would you pay?
Maybe like $5 grand.
You're paying 5 G's for that?
I mean, to say that I've been in space, not a lot of people can say that.
You, Willie Do, are dropping 5 on that right now.
Yeah, I'll drop 5 G's.
Jeez,
oh, yeah.
Louise, man. Jack?
But there has to be, like, food and stuff.
Food. He needs food. Some snacks on the way up.
Yes.
I'm not sure, dude. You're going to be a little woozy going up there. I don't know.
Yeah.
You pay? No, you just go up, you come down.
There are no details so far.
You go up, you come down, Jack. Jack's in for 5. Kirk's bailing. 50 bucks.
50 bucks.
Yeah.
Okay.
See, I mean, I don't know. It's a cool story, but I don't know I have no idea what the experience would be like. Obviously, going to space, it's like this human achievement. We're all wrapped up in it. Space race, moon landing. Like, to be close to that at all, I can understand the appeal, especially if you're like a space fan, science fan. But as you stated, it's really cost prohibitive at the moment. It's for very wealthy people. But who knows? Maybe with this investment, maybe they find a way, scale a little bit, get the cost down, and it becomes this vacation thing that a lot of people do. It's like, hey, we head down to where it probably does it launch from Florida, I guess. I don't know. It's all because that's where NASA is, right? They're down there.
Yeah.
So maybe California. I don't know where it launches from, but you head up, you come back. I don't know. Seems pretty elaborate for the time being, but it's a step. It's definitely a step, and the investment is an indication that they're. I mean, I'm assuming they did some math. They probably can map out a certain amount of demand. There's a lot of really wealthy people too.
Yep.
That are just like running out of things to do. They're bored, and they're like, I got to do something with this $100 grand.
Exactly.
I think I haven't gone to space yet.
Yeah.
So
why not space? Let's give it a shot.
I'm sure the experience is cool. You got to get launched up in a rocket. I mean, if you like roller coasters, that's a roller coaster.
It's a lot of G's.
Yeah, you need some pretty serious velocity to bust the atmosphere there.
Yeah, it's weird. Jeff Bezos says he has a space company called Blue Origin. Elon Musk has SpaceX. They're both for, I guess, transport, delivery. Blue Origin's thinking about mining asteroids.
Yeah. No, I know. This is first stage stuff.
Yeah.
It's important to note. Like, they're moving along with various plans, and their plans are more dynamic than what we're saying. It's not just strictly you go up, you come down. They're trying to set the stage for all kinds of eventual space stuff.
They want to make it fun, space travel.
That's what he's saying? Because he's the fun guy.
He's all about tourism. The other companies are all about, like, utility.
He's always fun. He's coming in. He's skydiving.
Yeah,
he's got the island. He's wearing flip-flops. He's the fun CEO.
Yeah.
Well, actually, a lot of them are going for that now, but he's the OG
he is,
of being a fun CEO. All right. Well, good luck to them. Don't blow the 800 million. That's almost $1 billion.